here. Let's put this one.
Okay.
Well,
Oh.
don't press it there.
Oh my god. Why did I do that?
Okay, this one's done.
Yeah. Better take it. Okay.
I have to take this. So what's number of that?
Yeah, that's. I forgot.
This the right one. Usually it goes 10, number 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna take it.
Eric!
Okay. Let's take it out.
Okay.
Can you bring a... Okay, just wait.
Okay.
I don't want to drop down.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Be careful.
This one here.
Yeah. Be really careful with that.
Yeah.
Get out of the way.
Okay. Let's put this one, let's say number 1. I'm not going to put exactly the same order.
Okay. Yeah. Put like next to the hole.
Okay, now let's see. I think that's 60 millimeter one.
Yeah. Let's see.
This is really deep though.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't stop there forever.
Yeah. That's not. Yeah. Be careful somehow.
Yeah, it's coming up easily.
Nice. Okay.
I don't know, is there a magnet? There should be a magnet, otherwise it's not going to come out, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
No.
Oh. So how do you get it?
Magnet?
Yeah,
How do you get it then?
I don't know.
Do we do the same thing we did and we needed to get that tiny thing?
Yeah, coming up.
Oh, okay.
Is it damaged? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it looks a little rusty. I'm not sure if that's.
Yeah, let's change it anyway.
Okay. Yeah.
So, it's a spark plug.
Yep.
म सबै रिप्लेस गरिदिनु पर्यो यो इन्जिन भाइब्रेट गरिराखेको भएर अलिक टाइट रहेछ है
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, it's coming up.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's very rusty. I think this is kind of bad, right?
Yeah. Maybe we should just change it.
Let's, let's change all of them.
Yep. Okay. Maybe I'll hold the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's almost, I
I
think.
don't know why it's not coming up.
Yeah, just keep it.
I wish I had a good tool with the magnet.
Mhm,
There should be
yeah.
a magnet.
Yeah,
Mm.
I'm not sure.
Now it's coming.
Okay, nice.
There's no magnet. Yeah, this doesn't
Yeah.
have a magnet.
Yeah, I think it's okay though, cause it still got it out.
See, it's kind of bad. That's why.
Yeah, then I'll help the car.
Don't play ball. Ali, yeah, you
Yeah.
come here. You can watch and learn something. It's very important, you know. I'm changing the spark plug. Yeah, you know that when the engine is vibrating a little bit, that's the spark plug problem.
Okay, so this.
There are many problems, but one of them is the spark plug, you know.
Yeah.
It's not firing.
Okay.
And this is the main thing.
So if we change this, it'll stop doing that.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
smooth.
Yeah.
See, there is a gap there.
Yeah.
Fire starts right there inside the engine.
Nice.
Okay. I have four spark plug here. The same brand.
Yay.
You can bring it here and I do it.
Okay.
So these are
Did I try to do the other ones?
Huh?
Should I?
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
So these are the brand new spark plug. I
Yeah.
got it from Canadian Tire. Exactly the same, you know. Same brand, not the same brand, but the same, you know, type.
Yeah, same type.
See the gap? It's too big, right?
Yeah.
Eric, hold it. Hold it to hold three of them. Don't drop it because it's a tiny tip. If you drop it, then okay. I'll put this one first. Okay.
Okay.
Then bring it closer here in case if you drop it here again, we'll have a problem.
Yeah.
You can zoom in.
I don't know how tight, but I think I don't want to tight too much though,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Not too loose also.
Okay.
Okay, one is done.
Nice. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Be careful.
I should have replaced this long time ago.
Yeah. It's okay though.
Yeah,
it-
I was kind of lazy, you know, to
Yeah.
do this thing. Usually we take to the mechanic shop, but
Mhm.
sometimes we can do ourselves.
Yeah. Just more
Yeah,
easy.
but we need lots of tool, right?
Yeah.
Last time we tried to do it and we didn't have a proper tool, so
Yeah.
So like the only difference is that one is dirty, or is there like something wrong in the inside?
give me the clean one. Okay.
I put the
Don't
dirt.
mix the old one.
Yeah. I put the dirt, the old ones away.
Put that dirty one. Otherwise we'll mix up again.
Mhm.
Oh, it's a long thread, eh?
Yeah.
Takes, I didn't feel when I open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There must be some specific torque to tighten, but I'm just, you know,
Yeah.
using my own.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. Because when I open it, it wasn't that tight, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the same amount of force to tighten up.
Yeah. Eric, stop.
Okay. Just tighten up a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's do it and one more. Okay. I think that's done.
Okay. Eric, move. Don't.
doing it.
Don't.
Okay.
Don't. You don't know what to do.
Wait.
Hey, what do you want to touch?
Okay,
Like-
let's put this one back.
There's they could do it, you know.
What?
They could do it. You might do it wrong.
I
Remember?
won't. Just put it like there.
Just stop.
Okay, now I need to get.
Okay.
This is not really tight, so there should be 4. Okay, Eric, hold this one. Then drop it. Give me one by one.
Maybe I should just leave it here. Then.
Yeah, that's a good idea. See, time saving, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put there and I just tighten up easily. Okay, hold this one. I'll put that one. Okay, let's put it this one.
Yeah.
It's good. Okay, let's remove this one. Now hold this one.
Okay.
It was like this actually.
Yeah.
Give me the bolt. You know what it is called, right?
A bolt
Yeah, bolt.
or screw.
It's not screw, it's bolt. Screw is
Bolt. Simple
different.
machine.
See the head?
Yeah.
This is bolt.
And what's the plate called?
Which plate?
There's like a plate kind of shape.
That's washer. It's coming off. I need to buy another thing here. Okay, I think hopefully it doesn't.
I think you need to do this one with me.
Oh, it's already cracked, right? You can see the sound.
Yeah.
That sound means it's tight. Otherwise, it's gonna vibrate. You know, when we are driving, if it is not tight.
Yeah.
Okay, let's when I start. Okay.
Should I
Let's
close
give
it?
I start.
Okay. Should I end the video now?
You can show inside.
Okay.
One, just leave it open.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. This is so good.